Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is disable and enable adaptive brightness in these settings. So we're gonna go over and open up the phone app. Sorry, not the phone app, but the phone. Now go to settings. And here in the settings, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and scroll down to display. Here in the display, we have adaptive brightness. So for me, it's turned off. So I'll turn it on, turn it off, and turn it on. This is a quick restart. Now, if it's not working for you or it's not changing it, then make sure to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. So we're going to clean it thoroughly. So you want to make sure that it is clean. And as you guys can see, it's at 45% right now. Now it is updating, and once we cover it, it is already dropping down. So that's how we know that the adaptive brightness works. Now what we want to do is we want to go over and restart our phone to refresh the sensors. So you press power button, volume up button, and click on the restart right here. Now it is restarting and our sensors are getting refreshed. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. And now after the restart, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings. Now in the settings, we want to scroll down to System Updates and check for updates. We want to be on the Ulaylist software version, so make sure that you see this screen right here. And that's basically it for the video. So it is very important to update your software. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.